Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. So for today, I'm going to be working with dual forms. If you haven't seen the first video, it is this one right over here, so go check it out. That video I showed you just the basics of how to use dual forms. The one I used in that video are the Russian almond. So for this video, I'm not going to be using them. The products I will be using are for Magic Gel. It is going to be Swiss White Shine and Romantic Warm. I am also going to be using my red iguana hand instead of my own hand this time. I'm going to be using these, I call these more of a pointed almond instead of an almond. So this is what it looks like over here. And the main part of this video is I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to not show you, I'm going to figure this out for the first time because I bought these, but I haven't actually figured them out. So what they are is you have nail form molds, and what this is these are the inserts, so that way you can create that smile line for your French. So this is going to be on one nail, trying to figure this out for the first time. And the other one are these, and these give you the really cool design. These are what they look like. So I'm just going to pick one of these to use on the nails. I don't know yet, but let's start off with these. Now I did pre-size these off camera. We're going to figure out together how I properly size these. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be going off with the number that this is. So this is a number 3. Zero, zero, 2, 2, 8, 8, 3. Okay, so this is a number 3 right here, but if I line this up, that might be too big. I don't know. Let's see if you have to actually use the correct number. Let's peel this off. I'm going to try to make sure that this is lined up correctly before I put this inside. Okay, I'm going to stick with the 3 for now. I have no clue if I chose the correct one. As I said, we're just going to be trying this out together. So I have this right over here. So you can see that's where my white is going to be, and then the rest will be for my pink. So let's fill up the bottom of this form with the Swiss White Shine. Yeah. Okay. I want to make sure from this side my smile line is clean, even though I have the molds. So I'm just going to go in and fix the other side if I need to. So it'll look something like this. So I'm going to put this in the lamp and give this a cure. Now that this is cured, let's peel this back. See what the smile line looks like. Did I mess it up? Did I? Oh. Did I get the product on the... Oh no! I don't think it was supposed to work like that. Ah, dang it. Okay. Round 2. oops, when you're doing these, I noticed you just have to make sure that your smile line isn't messed up. Okay, that I think looks fine. Let's give this another try and let's fill this up again. Okay. Let's see how well this peels off. Just doing it again. Okay. Okay. So I was able to take it off. It didn't pop off. Okay. So now let's put the only thing I don't like about this is I'm going to admit is after I took it off, I don't like how the smile line isn't clean, but maybe when I go to file this, it will come off. Okay, so let's grab my Romantic Warm. I'm going to go back in with the same small brush I was using before. This is this one. Okay, let's go in with the pink. And let's fill this in. Okay, so let's pop this down. Okay, and I can see right here, if I look down, I did not put enough product. There's a gap. So I need to put more product in here. Okay, now let's hope that this is enough. This back on again. Make sure this is going straight, which it is. And we're gonna check our lower arch to make sure everything is good from sidewall to sidewall. Okay, gonna fix that underneath a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to pop this in the lamp for full cure and I will be right back. Now that this is done, let's pop this off. Okay, so this is what it looks like without filing. I will say okay, so first off, you can tell that I clearly chose the wrong size. So that doesn't help. I should have gone the next size up. Working with it just like this, I can tell you that the white here, I clearly didn't put enough product on here. Even the pink down at the free edge here, even though you saw me put more product in, right there, there's still a gap. So do I really like these nail mold forms? I'm gonna say at the current moment, no. Could I get used to working with these and keep on practicing to maybe hopefully like them in the future? Yes. But as for right now, trying this for the first time, I'm going to say no. Next up, let's try these. I'm gonna go for this one, which is the alligator print, and that is way too big for the form I'm using. So let me pick out the right size. I'm still gonna use the Romantic Warm. So let's give this a try. So I think what I have to do with these is I think I'm gonna put the Acrogel into here, then press this inside it, and then we're gonna give it a cure. That's how I think you have to use these. Because did I watch a reference video? No, of course I didn't. I just kind of jumped right into it. Okay, I'm going to pinch this. Well, we're gonna smush it inside like this. Oh, see, this is, okay. I might have the wrong Acrygel for this, because with me just pushing this inside here, it's not staying when I leave this, when I leave it in here. So I'm gonna go in with my flash cure lamp and see. We may have a 2 for 2 that both of these are just not working for me right now. See, it's, nope. Okay. It feels like I literally would have to hold this down the whole entire time, because it's, look, it's literally not staying. I mean, it stayed up there because that's where I held it down with the flash cure lamp, but now it's literally a mess. As of right now, I'm gonna say, did these work? No, they didn't work. Could it work in the future with more practice? Yes. But I kind of wanted to show you in real time with me trying both of these for the first time, whether it's the nail mold forms or you have one of these designed. I wanted to show you this in real time to see my first reactions and is this going to work? Is this not going to work? I'm definitely gonna have to practice this a lot more. But if you would like any of this stuff, anything that I have a link for will be in my description box below, as well as the magic gel products I used. All of that will be listed in the description box below, and I will see you next week.